Welcome to the Sixth Sense Foundation.
Dropping off dropping off jackets. Dropping off dropping off jackets. Will and Kahlil got the deal, man, for real. Will and Kahlil got the deal, man, for real. Dropping off dropping off jackets. Dropping off dropping off jackets. Will and Kahlil got the deal, man, for real. Will and Kahlil got the deal, man, for real.
Welcome to the Sixth Sense Foundation.
Powered by LEVI'S.
November 20th, 2003. JetBlue touchdown on the ground. We exit the plane in Long Beach and catch a cab. We hit LAX, Big Al, pay the tab, Cabo rental, and go to Studio City. It's too many taco kitties, it's too pretty. LA faced with the Oakland booty. If Tech's not home, he might be shooting a movie. Where's Tecumseh? We make a left on Tahunga, but we forgot he was at rehearsal. No wonder. Buster Huey, now we headed for Santa Monica, the first annual Vibe Awards where they honor the hip-hop entrepreneur Russell Simmons. That means a lot of celebs and pretty women's. Park the whip down from the Viceroy, then walk around the hotel like a white boy going on.
Look, Maddox, I look pretty. That's what I'm talking about, baby. All right, Will, you ready? What you doing?
You see your daddy, man? See your daddy?
Down, Will. Hey.
5,
4,
3,
2,
1.
and on this beautiful afternoon on Dropping Off Jackets, episode 20.
0.
Who's our guest today, Will?
Man, the infamous Big Al, aka the top defensive offensive lineman. We go way back.
Way back. How many years, Will?
Hold it. Entrepreneur, innovator, working on private hedge fund company, travel, private jets,
Father,
homeowner,
businessman,
beautiful yard,
husband, family man, brother.
good family, loyal, handle good business, great business, diversity, and know how to work in private equity, foundation, and firm. He gets to the MF money at $4.99.
Hey, let me tell you something, man. Let me.
I will be sending you a 1099 for that endorsement.
All right,
Let me
cool.
tell you something about Albert Side, man. When we first met Big Al, quote unquote, what was we doing, Will?
Man, we was working on the Fireman album.
The Fireman album.
But we go back, but we're going to start with the Fireman album.
Right.
Big Al was the manager of this great guy named 4 Eyes.
Uh-huh.
And Big Al was the
Shout out to
logistics.
4 Eyes.
Right.
4 Eyes. And he was the logistics behind the scene.
Yeah.
Travel, promotion, booking, producer, studio time.
The official road manager for Fireman.
True.
If the Fireman was ever a real group, then Big Al was the road manager.
And he hold it together, working with the contracts, with the different labels. That was the most important part, hard part, difficult part when you're working with the fireman.
Hey, when you working with the Fireman, good luck, brother. I mean, that was more like a babysitting job. But we went out of the country. We did all kinds of things. We did a bunch of tours, bunch of videos. We ran BET.
BET
We did,
Uncut
man. We
Kings.
did MTV2, man. We ran all that, man. So the beautiful thing about this episode of Dropping Off Jackets, episode 20, that's Will.
This is my homeboy, aka Kahlil.
And we are here to drop off a jacket on our brother. He has no idea, but first, we're going to let him explain how he got here, who he is, what he's doing, and all his accolades. And if you want to contact him, maybe he'll give you the information.
And if you need a weight room program, Big Al was once upon a time around like 285, 300. But now he looking slim like he was in them college days. So I know somebody else has somebody to.
We're going to start calling him Medium
We
Al.
get it,
He's
but let's
He's
go.
not Big Al no more. He's Medium Al.
Let him go.
Yeah, let's
Big Al.
let him talk, man.
Oh man, it's an honor, man, and a pleasure. My guys, Will, Kahlil, Sixth Sense, B.O.B. Oh man, it's insane, man. I've known these guys since the '90s, you know, and it's just inspirational, you know, to see brothers come back together as entrepreneurs, as businessmen, as husbands, you know, fathers. I mean, just being, you know, 25 plus years, you know, with these gentlemen. I mean, it's just great, you know. So I started, you know, as Kahlil Will said, music business, you know, moved into the beverage business, moved into the private equity, venture capital, you know. It's just a great thing, man. Looking at all things sports, tech, entertainment, development. So, you know, if you want to catch more about me, check me out at Albert Sy on all social, Twitter, Instagram, everything.
Yeah.
That's
yeah,
it?
Yeah. And if y'all people, and especially them ladies and dudes and like Italian people, he make the best spaghetti.
Hey, so
best
look,
spaghetti.
look. I don't want to do this until I say, first of all, I got the best story, and I got to tell it right now before we do this.
Is it PG?
It's PG. It's G. So look, Big Al came to the loft, and he comes in. He walks in. I remember this still like it happened yesterday. I had like 12 cases of crump. He looks down. He's like, "Yo, brother, what is you doing?" I was like, "Man, you gotta holler at DJ Scorpio."
Oh, yes.
He was like, "No, man, I want these right here." And he grabbed the case. I was like, "No, trust me, that's mine. Go holler at Scorpio, and you gonna get the warehouse." So no, shout out John Creasy.
JC, man.
Shout out John Creasy.
That's
because
how my beverage career started.
boom.
Scorpio,
So hey,
JC.
I'm not making this up. This really happened. From the time Big Al walked in and said, "Boom, what's that?" I said, "Al, go get it." And he started with grabbing the cases, but he made a career out of it. I'm not kidding. This is real spit, man, for real. Yeah. So if you really want to know, you're looking at three brothers. We family.
Yes.
That's why it don't matter how much you talk, don't talk. We are so intertwined. So, I mean, brother.
Can I get some crop? You still got some?
No, you got it all. Hey, man, shout out to John Creasy. Shout out to DJ Scorpio. Shout out to Tony Hayes III. Shout out to Chris, Brian, Velvet Jones, Ludacris, Bridges, Kim Hutchins. You know how it is. Hey, Will, with no further ado,
So
man,
no further ado,
dropping on this, man. On episode
I got
20,
the bag.
Dropping off jackets.
dropping
That's
off
Will.
jackets. It's my homeboy Kahlil, Big Al. Here you go, brother. We took the time and we put the double piping on this, like that Letterman varsity MF jacket. Here you go, brother. Try it on. Sponsored by Levi's.
Powered by Levi's.
You know what I'm saying?
And it's always what, Will? A perfect fit.
Perfect fit.
It's always a perfect fit, baby. Yeah.
Circles mean.
Yeah, hold it. You got the name right there, Albert.
Man, let me look at that.
And man, go pop your collar, man.
Pop that collar. I don't need no collar on that one.
But look at,
I see the 06.
but look at the
Boy.
price right on the side.
You know what's on there,
what I'm saying?
baby.
Get that varsity
that
on.
on everything forever.
Yeah.
You already know what it is. Yes.
Appreciate it, man.
Hey, young Albert, you got yours coming up. You see me and Will, you just might be getting the jacket.
That's right. And we come to the football game too.
Shout
Little
out,
Albert.
Shout out to every
We
graduate
come to
at
your
Morehouse
soccer
College.
game.
Shout out to every
Soccer,
graduate at Morehouse College
Basketball,
from 1867 to 2024, baby.
tennis. Well, we coming to your classroom, then don't worry about it.
That's right. So we gonna close this
Lasagna
out.
King.
That's it.
That's it.
That's all. Episode 20.
20.
Big Al.
Big Al. I'm
Will.
Will. Kahlil.
Oh,
We outta here.
What is this, Will?
Oh,
Dropping off jackets, baby.
jacket.
Let's close this thing out. Let's eat.
White Jesus on Pico, getting props from the essays and other people because the whip is sick with a hefty promo. Tinted windows and a big Pepsi logo. Photo, pick up flatbed with bang. Let it wang, go into PF chain. Brown chicken with fried rice, drink a mojito. I roll a blunt and now we back on Pico. Back at the Vibe Awards, they finna start it. Loon gave the keys to the valet to park it, but I can't get back on the red carpet. Security is looking at me, a easy target with no credentials, no badges or passes. I just got my 06 hat and glasses, so I stand there about 5 minutes, just about to call it quits, call it finished. Just when I was tired and I'm ready to leave, Ludacris pulls up with Disturbing the Peace. Wow, if that's not a cold winky dinky, I blend with the crowd and hide behind Chingy. And now I'm Hollywood for real, just a sample. Standing next to Dwayne Martin and Tisha Campbell, next to Alicia Keys, Queen Latifah. I'm next to Raw Digger, smelling like reefer. I go in inside and it's a Schlor Emporium. Backstage at the Civic Auditorium, Sean John models, Baby Fat, Nietzsche. Everything that I can remember is on replay. Big Al walking with a bottle of Mo, and all the superstars sitting in the front row like Jay-Z, Dame Dash, and Pharrell. Maya and Beyonce was fine as hell. I saw P. Diddy and Poon Daddy with Faison, shaking up with the Yin Yang Twins and Little John. David Banner, R. Kelly, Ashton Kutcher. The chick from Rush Hour 2 was quite a looker. Outkast, Coltrane, Mackay Fife, and Quincy Jones even told me I looked like Snoop Doggy Dogg, and Snoop Dogg was there. I sat at the table behind Khalil's hair.